In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a project's color icon in Asana. This is a really simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in how organized and visually clear your workspace feels. Color coding projects helps you scan your sidebar more quickly, separate personal from teamwork, and highlight high priority projects at a glance. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and that you have the project open that you want to customize. You should be looking at the project's main view, whether that's list, board, or another layout. At the very top of the screen, you'll see the project name in the header area. Right next to the project name, on the left side, you'll see a small circle or icon. This is the project color icon. It might already be set to a default color, or it could be using the standard Asana color if you haven't changed it before. This is the spot you'll use to update the color. Go ahead and move your mouse over that project icon next to the project name. When you hover over it, you should see that it's clickable. Click directly on that icon. This will open a small menu or color picker that lets you customize the project's appearance. Once the menu appears, you'll see a selection of colors you can choose from. In some layouts, you may also see different icon styles, but the main goal here is the color itself. Take a second to think about how you're organizing your workspace. For example, you might use one color for client work, another for internal projects, and another for time-sensitive initiatives. Now, simply click on the color you want to assign to this project. As soon as you select it, Asana will automatically apply that color to the project icon. You should immediately see the new color appear next to the project name at the top of the page, and in your sidebar where all of your projects are listed. If the color doesn't feel quite right, don't worry. You can repeat this process at any time. Just click the icon again, pick a different color, and Asana will update it instantly. This flexibility lets you adjust your system as your projects and priorities change. And that's all there is to it. By quickly changing your project's color icon, you may